Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the biological term for the voice box? Is it A. Esophagus, B. Glottula, C. Larynx, or D. Trachea? The answer is C. Larynx.
The larynx, commonly known as the voice box, is not only crucial for producing sound but also plays a vital role in protecting the trachea against food aspiration. Located in the neck, it houses the vocal cords and is responsible for pitch and volume control. Interestingly, its size can influence voice depth.
Question 2. Who is best known for the uncertainty principle? Is it A. Werner Heisenberg, B. Robert Oppenheimer, C. Enrico Fermi, or D. Albert Einstein? The answer is A. Werner Heisenberg.
Werner Heisenberg, the mastermind behind the uncertainty principle, was a key figure in quantum mechanics. His principle suggests that you can't simultaneously know both the position and momentum of a particle with absolute precision. This groundbreaking idea not only revolutionized physics but also inspired pop culture references, including Breaking Bad's character Walter White adopting Heisenberg as his alias.
Question 3. What is the result of the mathematical expression fourscore and 19? Is it A. 59, B. 49, C. 23, or D. 99? The answer is D. 99.
The term fourscore is an old-fashioned way of saying 80, with score meaning 20. Abraham Lincoln famously used it in the Gettysburg Address, 7 years ago. Adding 19 to fourscore gives you 99, a number that's also the atomic number of Einsteinium, named after Albert Einstein.
Question 4. Which famous scientist was taught math by Hermann Minkowski in the 1890s? Is it A. Stephen Hawking, B. Galileo Galilei, C. Albert Einstein, or D. Isaac Newton? The answer is C. Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein, the revolutionary physicist known for his theory of relativity, was taught mathematics by Hermann Minkowski in the 1890s. Interestingly, Minkowski later expanded on Einstein's work by introducing the concept of spacetime, a four-dimensional framework that became crucial to understanding Einstein's theories and reshaping modern physics.
Question 5. What is the word for a young pig? Is it A. a colt, B. a maggot, C. a cygnet, or D. a piglet? The answer is D. a piglet.
A piglet, the adorable term for a young pig, is not just cute but also quite intelligent. Piglets can recognize their names by 2 to 3 weeks of age and are known for their playful antics. They even enjoy playing with toys, much like puppies, showcasing their curious and social nature.
Question 6. What is the process by which both milk and blood can become semisolid? Is it A. distillation, B. clotting, C. filtration, or D. pasteurization? The answer is B. clotting.
Clotting is a fascinating process that transforms liquids into semisolids. In milk, this occurs when enzymes like rennet cause proteins to coagulate, forming cheese. Similarly, blood clotting involves platelets and fibrin threads creating a mesh to stop bleeding. Both processes are vital for survival, one in culinary arts and the other in medicine.
Question 7. To what is the process of vulcanization applied? Is it A. Wood, B. Plastic, C. Rubber, or D. Iron? The answer is C. Rubber.
Vulcanization, a process discovered by Charles Goodyear in 1839, transforms rubber from a sticky, pliable material into a durable and elastic one. By heating rubber with sulfur, it becomes resistant to temperature changes and wear. This innovation revolutionized industries, paving the way for resilient tires and countless everyday products.
Question 8. In the human body, what is the name given to glands responsible for producing hormones? Is it A. Eccrine glands, B. Salivary glands, C. Mammary glands, or D. Endocrine glands? The answer is D. Endocrine glands.
Endocrine glands are like the body's secret messengers, releasing hormones directly into the bloodstream to regulate everything from mood to metabolism. These tiny powerhouses include the pituitary gland, often dubbed the master gland, which can influence other glands and even affect growth and development throughout life.
Question 9. Which significant did Dr. John Pemberton of Atlanta, Georgia invent in 1886? Is it A. Coca-Cola, B. Dr. Pepper, C. Earn Brew, or D. Lucozade? The answer is A. Coca-Cola.
In 1886, Dr. John Pemberton concocted Coca-Cola in a three-legged brass kettle in his backyard. Originally intended as a medicinal tonic, it was sold at soda fountains for 5 cents a glass. The name Coca-Cola was suggested by Pemberton's bookkeeper, Frank Robinson, who also penned the iconic script logo still used today.
Thanks for joining our science safari. We hope you had a blast and didn't find it too elementary. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Goodbye for now, until we meet again tomorrow. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.